Hey, with this template, you can easily reach new subscribers for your WhatsApp newsletter, and of course, it's 100% GDPR compliant. The WhatsApp newsletter helps you build a valuable relationship with your customers because you're reaching them where they communicate with their friends and acquaintances. This way, you achieve an opening rate of over 95%, getting much closer to your customers compared to an email newsletter. I'll show you how to set up the automation in just 3 minutes and start generating your first subscribers. To access the template, we go to the template gallery, select the sales and marketing category, and then choose the first template titled Automate the Acquisition of New Subscribers for your WhatsApp newsletter, 100% GDPR compliant. A pop-up will open and you can see the template in action and even try it out yourself using the QR code. To use it, click the button in the bottom left. This will open the automation builder where you will see the automation already set up for you. Next to the automation on the left, there is a note element explaining what the automation is for and how to set it up. We'll go through these steps together now. In the first note, you need to select your WhatsApp account as the communication channel. Now, if someone sends a message with the word subscribe, they will be signed up for the newsletter. SuperChat recognizes this word and initiates the next step, sending a confirmation message and then adding the contact to a contact list. We need to specify this contact list now. Click into the node and select the list for the desired newsletter. Now, let's see what happens if the contact wants to unsubscribe from the newsletter. If we receive the message unsubscribe, a confirmation of the unsubscription will be triggered and the contact will be removed from the newsletter list. In the last node, select the appropriate contact list again. With that, we've completed all the necessary steps in the automation. You can now rename the automation if you like, or activate it directly via the button in the top right. Alright, the automation is ready. But how do you get as many signups as possible? For this, we've built the touchpoint generator. Click the link in the note in the automation and you can quickly create flyers and social media posts with a QR code for your newsletter sign-up. You can display these in your store or share them across all your social media channels. And when a customer scans the QR code with their smartphone, WhatsApp opens automatically with the keyword for the newsletter sign-up pre-filled. They just need to send the message and they're subscribed. In the touchpoint generator, simply enter your website and select opt-in for WhatsApp newsletter on the right. Below that, enter your WhatsApp number, company name, and the opt-in word, which is the word specified in the automation's message content node. In most cases, this is subscribe. You can then customize the text, colors, and formats you need. You're now ready to preview the materials or generate them directly. And that's how easy it is. As you saw in the automation, it just takes a few clicks to go live. And with our touchpoint generator, you can easily create materials to turn all your customers into subscribers. So let's go have fun automating.